Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here, and today I am so super excited. Actually, today I plan to recreate the actual Eid look that I did because I actually came live on Instagram and I planned to save the video, but there was some technical error and I couldn't save it, and so I had to recreate it again because there was a lot of requests that they wanted me to do this look. So I have done this look for you guys, and I hope you guys will like it. So stay tuned and keep watching. So I've got everything back set done, and now for the first thing I'm gonna take Nivea cream and I'm gonna apply that everywhere. I'm a heavy dry skin type, so Nivea works the best. I'm just gonna clip back my bangs because they're coming on my way. So I'm gonna take the Lakme Blur Perfect. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Hilary Rodas palette and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna apply it over my crease. Swiss Beauty palettes are having incredible pigmentation. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a more pinkier shade. So I'm going to take this shade over here. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to apply that. I'm going to apply it below my crease. We are going to leave this gap over here. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take an orange shade. For the orange, I'm going to take this palette and I'm going to take this color from here and I'm going to apply that and on top of the pink that I applied before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffier brush. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to buff everything. I'm planning to take two glitters today. So I'm going to take the Focallures in the shade 10. I'm going to take Solemn and I'm going to apply it in the center. Once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Swiss Beauty's Metallic Shadow, this one, and shade 05 Rose Gold Retro, and I'm going to apply it on top of the golden that we have already applied. So I'm gonna just allow everything to dry, and once that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my finish of my base. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Super Stay. I'm gonna take it in the shade 312 Golden. So once foundation is done, I'm going to take the Fit Me in the shade Caramel 40 and I'm going to apply that. is done, I'm going to set everything in place. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium and bake. I'm gonna take this Elegant brow pencil and I'm gonna fill in my brows very naturally. So once my brows are done, I'm going to dust off the bake. So once I dusted off my bake, I'm going to go ahead with the same orange shade, this one over here and this shade over here, and I'm going to fill in my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a flat brush like this. Then I'm going to take the Hilary Rhoda palette again and I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to fill in again my lower lash line on top of the orange. Once this is done, I'm going to contour. For contouring, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Contouring palette from the shade medium to deep, and I'm going to take the contouring shade over here and I'm going to contour. Once that's done, I'm going to go in for blush. For blush, the Deborah Milano blush in the shade 05 Cherry, and apply that. Then I'm going to take this Revolution Pro Illuminate and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. I'm going to take a little bit of that and apply on my brow bone too. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and complete off my eyes. I'm going to first curl, then I'm going to apply a mascara. So for mascara, I'm taking the Butterfly Intensa mascara. And first I'm going to curl and then I'm going to apply mascara. Apparently want to apply eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead with Dazzler. I know this is supposed to be done before mascara, but I forgot about it. So eyes are done. I'm going to complete off using lipstick. For lipstick, I'm taking the Milai Cosmetics lipstick in the shade number 305. So my entire makeup is done. I'm gonna quickly finish off everything and come back. So guys, this is my completed look. I really enjoyed doing this look, and I feel it's very fresh, very nice and very pink, and I really like how it turned out to be. And I love the combination of, you know, gold as well as the pink that I applied on my eyelids. I love it. I just love it. So if you guys like my video, please do share, comment and like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. My Instagram handle is down below, and please do follow me there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.